children, welcome to the new video. So today we have our work time session, and in our work time session we are going to use our maze workbook of phonics of PreR3, and this is your phonics workbook of PreR3. So take it out and turn to page number let's see what we are going to do. We are going to work on page number 2. So children, turn to page number 2. Now, I hope you all are on page number 2, and let's have a look on our page. So, first of all, we have to look at the icons we are given, and the first icon we have is this one. And this icon tells us to read. Yes, it tells us to read. And the second icon is a pencil making a letter, and this indicates us to write. Yes, whenever we see this icon, it means that we have to write. And after reading the icons, we have to mention the date in the date section. Now children, let's move on to the main work. Now, read and write the rhyming words. Now here you can see that there is a wall where some of the words are written, and I can say that they are shuffled. Now what we have to do, we have to pick out the at words. Which words? The at words which we have learned. So now you can see that in the first line over here you can see some dotted words written. You have to trace on them with your pencil. Now look at the words which are written here. So the first word is bat. Read with me. Bat. Bat. Yes, and the second word we have here is this. It is cat. Yes, this is cat. Now here this was a guideline for you, so you can understand that which rhyming words you have to pick from the wall. अब आपने इसको trace करना है, and now from the second line आपने at words pick करने हैं, and you have to write them in the blanks. Now let's have a look in the second line. So in the second line the first word we have is this one. It is peg. It is peg. Now children, tell me, does peg rhyme with the at word? For example, we had bat in the first line, so peg, bat, peg, bat. Well, they do not rhyme, so leave peg. Now, let's look at the second word. The second word is this. Hat. This is hat. So, is hat a rhyming word of at words? Yes. Hat, bat. Hat, bat. So, hat is a rhyming word of at. So, we will write hat in the first blank. Okay children, अब हम hat को first blank में लिखेंगे. ठीक है? So grab your pencil and write hat in the first blank. And then you will see that there is a blank left. So it means that we have to write another at word in that blank. So let's look at the other word in the second line. Okay, so the other word we have here is this. This is fat. This is fat. So, does fat rhyme with hat? fat, hat. Fat, hat. Yes, they rhyme together. It means that fat is an at word. So, you will write fat in the second blank. Very good. Now, let's move to the third line. Okay, so the first one we have in the third line is this one. Mat. Okay, so this is mat. Now, is mat an at word? Mat, fat. Mat, fat. Well, yes, they rhyme together. So, we will write mat in the first blank with our pencil. Very good. Now, second blank. So, the second word we have here is rat. This is rat. This is rat. Now, is rat an at word? Let's check. Rat, mat. Rat, mat. Well, I think that they rhyme together. Do you agree with me? Well, yes, rat is an at word. So we will write rat in the second blank. And with writing this, the first part of our work ends here. So here you traced and then you wrote all the at words yourself. And that is a progress for you. Very well done for that. So let's move on to the second part of our worksheet. Okay. Well, I can see that there is a little story written here and there are some pictures too. So, okay, let's see what we have to do here. Here is written, Tom was a, and there is a picture. Tom was a, what picture is this, children? Yes, it is a cat. So, you have to write the name of this picture in the blank. This picture is cat. So, what will we write in the blank? We will write cat. Excellent. Now, Tom was a cat. Amazing. Now, let's read the second line. Jerry was a. Okay. ये क्या है बच्चों? This is rat. Yes, this is rat. So, अब यहाँ rat बना हुआ है तो blank में क्या लिखेंगे हम? Rat. Very good. Now, Jerry was a rat. Amazing. Now, the third line is Tom wore a. What picture is this? It is a hat. This is a hat. So, what will we write in the blank? We will write hat. Very good. So, the sentence would be Tom wore a hat. Now, they sat on a. What picture is this? Yes, it is a mat. It is a mat. तो अब आप blank में क्या लिखेंगे? आप लिखेंगे mat. Very good. So, this would be they sat on a mat. And the last line is they played with a. What is this? This is a bat. This is a bat. So what should be written in the blank with this picture? Yes, we will write bat. यहाँ bat बना हुआ है तो हम blank में क्या लिखेंगे? Bat लिखेंगे. Now, let's read the story all together. Tom was a cat. Jerry was a rat. Tom wore a hat. They sat on a mat. They played with a bat. Yes. So children, like this, you have completed your worksheet for today. And if you want to, you can color the pictures. Remember the coloring movement. What was that? Yes, it was up and down. Very good. So with this, today's session comes to end, and inshallah I will see you in the next video with something new to work on. Till then, Allah Hafiz and take care of yourself.